Hi, this is Tankadhal, software engineer at Microsoft. Today, I'm going to show you how to get Microsoft Office, which includes applications like MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, plus many other apps. And good news is that it doesn't cost you anything. I'll show you two ways of getting it free of cost. Also, this is not only free on PC, or Mac or Linux, but also this is free on phone, both iOS and Android. So please watch this video till end. I'll tell you how to get it free. Also, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Please like, share and comment. This inspires me to make more videos like this. Let's jump into the first way of getting it. I said you that there are two ways of getting it free. The first way is open your browser, type office.com. I'm typing it. As you can see, there are two options. One is sign in and then the other one is get office. Click on the sign in option. Other option that says get office, if you click that, use it offline, which costs you money. So let's not go that route now. Let's go and click sign in. If you already have Microsoft accounts like live.com, hotmail.com, outlook.com, or if you already have a Skype account or so, you probably already have Microsoft account. If you have, put it here and then put the password. If you don't have, here is create one. You can create a new Microsoft account free of cost. It doesn't cost you anything. I already have a account and then let me sign in with that. Password, enter your password and sign in. If you want your machine to remember your username and password, say remember me, otherwise no. I'll say no. As soon as you land on this page, you can see few different options. For example, right here you can create a Word document, Excel, PowerPoint and then few other apps. Let me open Microsoft Word here and then say okay, blank document. I am opening a blank document that opens. Let me start typing. As you can see, all the controls, for example, these buttons and then menus and then layout, everything looks exactly same as your desktop application. There is no difference. It seems like as if you are using desktop application. File and then more and then save as. I can save this document. Let's say click it save and then let's say I saved my document just now on the cloud. Now if you use the same username and password on other device, you can see this document and then you can work on this document right there. If you want this document, download it now, then click on file and then click save as, and then as you can see, you can download this file as a PDF on your local machine. With this, you can also convert your Word document into PDF document. Similarly, let's open Excel. Same way, you can create Excel application and then start working on it. You can create PowerPoint, or if you click this guy, you can see few more other things that you can do with this. All you see here is absolutely free of cost. One caveat, this is only available if you have internet. If you don't have internet or you are offline, you need to have desktop version, which you will have to pay. Now, as I said in the beginning, there are two ways of getting it. This is the first way. The second way is if you have Windows 10 or Windows 11 installed on your machine, you already have that app here. So click on this and then search Office app, this one. Click it and then the Office app opens up. This is again free of cost. You don't have to pay anything, but this is again on the cloud. The advantage of this Office app over the browser version is this guy also displays local files, meaning all the files that you have on your local machine, it displays that. Plus, you can use all of the app that you could use with browser version. Before I wrap up, let me show you on my mobile device. I have iPhone and then I'll go to App Store and then I'll download Office app and then I'll show you how I can use this Word, Office, Excel, PowerPoint, whatever on my iPhone. Okay, let me go to my phone and go to App Store and type this Microsoft Office. Type it, search it, and then you will see Microsoft Office here. Download it. And by the way, you can get this on Android as well. Okay, let me open it. It asks you a bunch of questions. Get started. Next. Okay, created and edit first document. Okay, I'm here. So as you can see, all my documents that I uploaded on the cloud are already available here. Plus button and then it is creating a blank Word document. Type it and then save it. You have bunch of actions. All those menus are here. This is little different than browser and desktop based, but it works exactly the same way. Here I conclude my video. If you like this video and you want me to bring more useful videos in future like this, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. It means a lot to me. See you soon on other video. Till then, bye and take care.